Hi, my name's Scott. Today we're looking over this Gel Blaster. This brand makes very many different styles and combinations of gel blasters, so you definitely want to look over their listings. They got some really cool different styles. This is your manual, and it's going to tell you how to, the correct amount of water to use and how the gel bullets work. Look at them bouncing around. So you get a battery, you get a USB charger, and also your ammunition. You get your grenade little tank here, safety glasses. Your battery goes right in here. Your on and off button is right there. Trigger right there. You put your grenade holding tank on top of here with your ammo inside. They give you a laser. Pull that pin that's out of the side there. Very bright laser. Easily see it in the daytime. Very nice. They also give you a handle or grip. For this one, we went ahead and mounted the handle on the side. You can mount it underneath it if you wanted to, but we did it on the side, so we hold it with one hand here and hold our other hand on the trigger. We put the laser on the other side as well. Makes it pretty cool looking. How about we go test this out? Alright guys, so now we're going to try this one. You can see the laser. That seems to be pretty good accuracy. It's actually pretty impressive. It can definitely hit our garage way out there. Very nice.